fire in his soul and fist of gold. The tale of faith fist is about to unfold. He walks the path where gods have strayed, through crumbling ruins and skies that fade. With holy flames his fist ignites, smashing foes with sacred might. But wait, a scream, a familiar sound. You hit me again, bro, turn around. His friends all dodge his unholy blows, but faith fist laughs, that's how it goes. Funky bassline, energetic vocal, the stars align. His faith burns bright, but coordination not quite right. Through ash and chaos he swings with glee, a tarnished champion of destiny. Faith fist, the chosen one divine, holy strikes that can shatter time. Faith fist, with power so sublime, he'll miss the mark but win in time. A lightning spear, a fiery palm, his miracles strike with endless calm. But allies hide, they're ducking fast. Man, you've hit me 3 times in the past. Yet faith fist grins undeterred alive. He'll claim the elden throne, he'll thrive through trials, misfires, and team despair. He'll prove his worth beyond compare. Scuba-dubba-doo, holy punch is true. Faith gonna save you, wait, not you. From Limgrave shores to the archery's light, he fights with faith through every night. The world's in chaos, but he won't quit, even if his punches never hit. Faith fist, his destiny is clear, punching God, spreading holy fear. Faith fist, through failure and cheer, one day the throne will be near. The stars align, his faith burns bright, but coordination not quite right. Through ash and chaos he swings with glee, a tarnished champion of destiny. Faith, the holy storm, through golden grace a legend is born. Even if his aim's not true, he'll punch his way right through to you. Faith, faith,